everyone, I am Jill to share today's story with all of you. Be happy with what is in front of you rather. Daydreaming of what has not yet come. Today, I'd like to tell you about this experience. I will describe what happened and how I felt, and experience why this experience is so memorable to me now. This happened when I was 16 years old. I was going to participate in a small group competitions with my friend and teacher. Along the way, we stopped for some sightseeing. The day before the competitions, I was very excited. It was my first time competing at the regional level. The next day, the day I had to compete, I met my parents who had traveled to support me on the competitions day. I felt happy and much less anxious. I will never forget this day. During the competitions, my friend and I were very dedicated. We didn't even eat until our small book was finished. On the day we were supposed to return from the competitions, my parents invited me to go back with them. I realized how much my parents love me, and finally, even though we didn't get first place, we received a gold medal, and hence people by our side. I am proud of myself and grateful that my friends invited me to compete. This time, it was a valuable rice experience for me. So, in closing, I can say that my participation in the small book competition was definitely a memorable experience. It gave me the courage to venture into new unfamiliar place, and I love receives from those around me makes my wish to keep living for the day to come. I hope my story will inspire you. Thank you.